Have you ever stared at your phone, trying to figure out the best way to send money abroad or manage your finances, only to be met with a bewildering array of apps, each promising to be the ultimate solution? It's a common dilemma in today's digital age, isn't it? We're constantly seeking convenience, transparency, and cost-effectiveness in our financial lives, and traditional banks, with their often opaque fees and cumbersome processes, just don't always cut it anymore. That's where the new breed of financial disruptors comes in, the digital banks and the dedicated digital wallets. And today, we're diving deep into a comparison that many of you have asked for, Monzo versus digital wallets like Wise. Which one truly reigns supreme for your financial needs? Is it the full-fledged digital bank offering a complete current account experience, or the lean, mean, money-moving machine designed specifically for international transactions? To answer this, we need to peel back the layers and understand what each of these platforms brings to the table. We'll explore their core functionalities, their strengths, their weaknesses, and ultimately, help you decide which one aligns best with your unique financial lifestyle. This isn't just about picking a winner, it's about empowering you to make an informed choice that saves you money, time, and hassle. Let's start by clarifying what we're actually comparing. On one side, we have Monzo. Monzo is a UK-licensed digital bank. This is a crucial distinction. It operates like a traditional bank, but entirely through its mobile app, without physical branches. It offers a full UK current account, complete with a sort code and account number, and is protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS, up to £85,000, just like any high street bank. Think of Monzo as your everyday banking hub, reimagined for the smartphone era. Then, on the other side, we have digital wallets like Wise, formerly known as TransferWise. Wise isn't a bank in the traditional sense. It's a financial technology company that specializes in international money transfers and multi-currency accounts. While it offers a debit card and allows you to hold balances in various currencies, it doesn't provide the full suite of banking services like overdrafts or loans in the same way a licensed bank would. Wise is built for one primary purpose, making international money as cheap, fast, and transparent as possible. So, the fundamental difference right off the bat is their core identity. Monzo aims to be your primary bank account, handling all your daily financial needs, both domestic and, to some extent, international. Wise, on the other hand, is a specialist, excelling at cross-border payments and multi-currency management. Now, let's break down the key areas where these two platforms compete and diverge. Everyday banking features, Monzo's domain. If your priority is a robust, feature-rich current account for your daily spending, budgeting, and savings within the UK, Monzo is a clear frontrunner. Monzo offers a truly intuitive and user-friendly mobile banking experience. Instant spending notifications mean you know exactly where your money is going the moment you spend it. This real-time tracking, combined with customizable spending categories, makes budgeting incredibly easy. You can set financial goals, categorize transactions, and even round up your spare change into savings pots. Monzo also offers bills pots, allowing you to set aside money for recurring payments like rent, utilities, and subscriptions, ensuring you never accidentally dip into those funds. The Get Paid Early feature is another popular perk, allowing eligible users to receive their salary a day before it officially lands in their account. For those needing a bit of flexibility, Monzo offers overdraft facilities and even a buy now pay later style product called Monzo Flex, allowing you to split purchases into interest-free installments. They also offer joint accounts, cash and check deposit options via PayPoint and Post Office, and credit tracker tools. Essentially, Monzo provides all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a modern bank, just without the physical branches. Their customer support is primarily in-app, offering 24/7 assistance, which many users find incredibly convenient. International transfers and multi-currency, Wise's strong suit. This is where Wise truly shines and, in many aspects, surpasses Monzo. Wise was built from the ground up to solve the problem of expensive and opaque international money transfers. Their key selling point is the use of the mid-market exchange rate, the real exchange rate you see on Google, with a transparent, upfront fee. This means you avoid the hidden markups that traditional banks often apply. Wise offers a multi-currency account that allows you to hold, send, and receive money in over 40 different currencies. This is incredibly powerful for frequent travelers, digital nomads, freelancers, or anyone dealing with international payments regularly. You can get local bank details for up to 10 different currencies, including GBP, Euro, USD, AUD, CAD, meaning you can receive payments in those currencies as if you had a local bank account, often saving the sender money too. Their debit card automatically converts your funds at the mid-market rate with low conversion fees when you spend abroad, ensuring you always get a fair deal. For example, if you're in the Eurozone and spend euros, Wise will automatically convert from your GBP balance or other currency at the prevailing mid-market rate with a tiny fee. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.